Alright guys, welcome back. So today I got a 2012 Chrysler 200. So the customer state, one crank. No matter what they do, one crank, change it, fuel pump, ignition coils. So after I check it, I noticed there wasn't any current coming from the wire, so it wasn't getting any current to the ignition coils. So in order to get it crank, we have to run this wire to this blue one right there with that seems like it's a purple stripe on it. Where that goes to the ignition coil at number 2 here, wire. It runs right here, come around and go to the positive terminal right here. So that's why I get it to crank. So if I disconnect this wire right here, it should probably cut off. Let me see. And there you go, so it go dead. So let me show what it's doing now. So if I get in the car, try to crank it, nothing, just turn over. So now I'm going to connect back that wire. Connect back this wire right here. So it seems like it's not getting any power from the computer that goes to it, and all of the fuse are okay. And they crank right up. There you go guys. So if you're having the same issue, no power to your ignition coils, you can try this trick right here. So what you can do, find a live current, goes to the ignition coil to power all of them. And there you go guys. So if you find this very useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.